Hello students, in this video we are going to see what is face-centered cubic crystal or face-centered cubic lattice. So what is a face-centered cubic lattice? Here we have the normal cube, and in this cube we have one particle at each corner. There is one particle at each corner. Along with that, there is also an additional atom on each face. So there are 8 corners. On each of these corners there is an atom, and then there are 6 faces. A cube has got 6 faces. All the 6 faces there is one atom. So you find one atom on this face, one on this face, one on this, and one on the lower face, and one on this face, and one at the back that face. So 6 faces there is one atom on each face. So this is what is called a face-centered cubic crystal, FCC. So in FCC, how do we find the interatomic distance? The distance between, now since it is a cube, each side is equal to A, is all A. Now if you take this triangle, let's see this one. Here you see the atoms are placed like this. Each corner there is an atom, and the faces also there is an atom. Now the atoms in the corner, they contribute 1/8 because they get into the 8 neighboring cells totally. So 1/8, their contribution is 1/8. But the atom on the face, their contribution is half because it is shared with the neighboring cell, one more cell in the neighborhood. So the contribution of atoms in the corner is equal to 1/8, and number of corners is equal to 8. So total atoms in corners is equal to 1/8 into 8 is equal to 1 atom. Now contribution of the atoms on the face is equal to 1/2. Total faces is equal to 6. So total atoms on faces is equal to 1/2 into 6. 1/2 into 6. That is 1/2 into 6 is equal to 3. So total atom is equal to 1 plus 3. 1 from the corners and 3 from the faces. Total atom in the FCC is 4. So total atoms in FCC is equal to 4. The next is the coordination number. How do we find coordination number, and also the interatomic distance? What is the interatomic distance? How do we find? Each edge here is A. This is A, and see, here is the atom on the center of the face. So if you draw a line from this corner to this corner, suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. So let us see, how do we take it in triangle ABC? So the right angled triangle ABC. Yes, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Yes, that is AC square is equal to AB is equal to A, the edge A square, plus BC is this edge, so it is also A square. So AC square is equal to 2A square. And what is AC? AC is equal to square root of 2 and A square. Square root of A square is A. Now what is D? D is equal to AC upon 2. How? See, the distance from A to C the particle is in the middle. So the half the distance is the interatomic distance. So d is equal to AC upon 2. That is equal to square root of 2 into A upon 2. That is equal to, how can you write this 2? Square root of 2 into A can be written as square root of 2 into square root of 2. See, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So this will get cancelled. So finally it becomes A upon root 2. So d is equal to A upon root 2. So what is the radius of the atom? If the atoms are closely packed, if this is the radius, so r is equal to d upon 2. That is equal to A upon root 2 divided by 2 into 2. R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. So radius is equal to A upon 2 root 2, and interatomic distance d is equal to A upon root 2, and the number of particles in FCC is 4. So this is what we have seen. Okay, now let's see the coordination number in this. The coordination number, see this, there are 3 planes here, one x plane and y plane and z plane, 3 planes, and see the particles from the center, the immediate neighboring particles. If you count here, see here in this, you can count it, the immediate neighbors. How many particles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 on each plane, and there are 3 planes here. So total, it is, you see the colored dots, the total one plane you have 4, the next plane you have 4, and the third plane also you have 4. So, or you can see here in this one, it is very clear here. So you count these particles, so there are 12. So coordination number for FCC is equal to 12. So there are 12 immediate neighboring particles for FCC. So that is all about FCC. I hope you understood this. You can watch again so that it becomes very clear to you, and you can like it, and you can write on the comment if you have questions, and you can subscribe this. Thank you. God bless you.